Millions of people suffer from hair loss and don't have a reliable answer. Hair transplants are expensive and time-consuming. Drugs and medications can have adverse side effects. Fortunately, we've developed a drug-free and non-invasive solution: the iRestore Laser Hair Growth System. iRestore is the new FDA-cleared device to treat hair loss for both men and women.
Our goal is to develop products that improve the quality of people's lives. I invented iRestore because I didn't want to keep losing my hair, and nor should you.
According to the latest clinical studies, low-level laser therapy is proven to increase hair thickness and fullness with no adverse side effects. iRestore uses medical-grade lasers and LEDs to deliver light energy directly to hair follicles. Our engineers have calibrated the lasers to the optimal wavelength proven to promote hair growth. This light energy is absorbed by the hair follicles, which stimulates cell metabolism and increases blood flow. This biochemical process reactivates dormant hair follicles and extends the growth phase of the hair growth cycle. iRestore is a hands-free device that provides full scalp coverage and allows you to go about your day uninterrupted.
I would recommend the FDA-cleared iRestore to my patients to help prevent future hair loss. It also works terrific to help promote healing after the hair transplant procedure.
Our cutting-edge laser technology is non-invasive, drug-free, safe, and pain-free. You can use it on its own or along with other hair loss treatments to improve results. With iRestore, you can be on an accelerated path and expect to see results in as little as 12 weeks. Whether you want to grow more hair or simply improve hair quality and volume, iRestore is the most affordable clinical-strength home laser system available. Hair care is a lifelong commitment. The sooner you start, the better. Finding the right solution can shape your look and feel for life. That's why we've provided a total hair care solution with clinically proven topical serum to best support hair growth. Try it risk-free for 6 months. If you don't see results, send it back to us. No questions asked. With iRestore, you can finally stop worrying about the way you look and start looking your best today.